480 members joined my community in just 48 hours, all while not spending a single dollar on advertising. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used Whop's content rewards to explode my business growth overnight. I'm Joseph Henry, and I've been featured on Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Investors Observer, Morningstar, and I've generated multiple seven figures across different businesses. I'm directly partnered with Whop, and in the last 6 months alone, I brought in over $17 million in processing volume to their platform by helping creators just like yourself simplify their tools to help run their business. So what is content rewards? It's pretty simple, really. You make some long form videos like podcasts or live streams, and then people called clippers take these short parts of your videos and then turn them into 30 to 60-second clips. Then they post these on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, and you can pay them $1 to $3 for every 1,000 views. And get this, you only have to pay when the clips actually get views. If there's no views, there's no cost. Let me tell you what happened with my Affiliate Advantage program that I have set up on Whop. Before content rewards, I had only about 60 members, so the growth was pretty slow and I couldn't really make enough content by myself. But then I started using content rewards on Whop within that community, and check out what happened in just 48 hours. 37 different clippers started making content from my videos. They posted over 215 clips across all platforms, and these clips got more than 200,000 views total. My course went from 60 members to 540 members. That's 480 new members in just 2 days. And what's really cool is I not only got people interested in my affiliate program joining the community, but I also had people joining that wanted to be clippers as well. Now, fast forward to now, 1 week in, we're already at 1,421 members, while only paying $1 for every 1,000 views, which is way less than what you'd pay for regular ads. So you might be wondering, why does this work better than regular marketing, Joseph? Well, there's a few reasons. First, you get a lot of different people making clips. Each person gets to pick different moments that they like. Some focus on tips. Some people might focus on funny moments. And this can show you what people actually connect with. Second, these clippers know their platforms. They know what works on TikTok versus Instagram or on YouTube Shorts. They add the right music and captions that make it not feel like ads. Third, when someone else is sharing your content, people trust it a lot more. It's not just you saying, hey, buy my stuff. It's more like getting a recommendation from someone else. Fourth, when lots of accounts post about you, social media algorithms notice and start showing your content to more people. So you're actually able to control the algorithm. And fifth, the people that see these clips are already interested in your topic or subject, so they're more likely to buy. After all, it's actually getting recommended to them on their page. So let me show you how to set this up for yourself. Step 1, go to Whop and create an account using my link down below. Then go to Dashboard, click Your Whops, open up your Whop, go to where it says Earn, and then click on Add App and pick Content Rewards. Set your rate to $1 to up to $10 per 1,000 views. Choose which platforms you want people to post on, so you could specifically say you only want Instagram or you only want YouTube, and then upload your long form videos. Step 2 is you help your clippers succeed. Give them clear guidelines on what works best. Show them examples of good clips, tell them about your audience, and point out some good moments to go ahead and clip. You can also create a Loom video or a document that quickly briefs them on what you like, what is done well in the past, and just try to give them as much information as possible. Remember, if they do well, you do well. And if you do well, they do even better. Step 3, spread the word. Share it with your followers, post about it on social media, and reach out to clippers directly. I tell potential clippers, some of the top clippers make $2,000 to potentially $20,000 a month just from clipping content. Step 4, use Whop's tools to see what's working. Watch which topics are getting the most views, which clippers are consistently doing well, and which platforms bring in the most customers. Then focus on what works. Now you might be wondering a few things. What's the cost, right? It's really cheap. Compared to regular ads, you're only paying $1 per 1,000 views, and on Facebook and Instagram, you could pay as high as $100 per 1,000 views. And these are people that are actually interested in whatever it is that you're doing or talking about. Do I need a lot of followers to start? The answer is no, not at all. This works great even if you have a small audience, because clippers bring their own followers. You could start with just a few hundred followers or even no followers and still see the same insane results. And I'm not the only one that's seeing results like this. Ambro Di Pilato, a business owner just like you, put in $50,000 into content rewards and got 17 million views in just a few weeks. Polymarket, a prediction market platform, they used Whop to get more people to download their app. And they made really good use of the 100 men versus a gorilla meme. And they had a whole bunch of people making videos about this. It was hilarious. And even the Kid Laroi, a famous rapper or singer, who used this strategy to promote his songs, and he saw his streaming numbers increase dramatically. Content rewards are going to change how we market ourselves and how we market our products. Instead of gambling on ads that may or may not work and cost a lot of money, you're building a little team that only gets paid when you actually get results. Jump on it now while you still can. As more people are finding out about this, like, it's just going to get harder and harder to find clippers. clippers. But right now, there are way more clippers than people that want clipping. So take advantage of it. Now, if you're interested in Whop, I've created a free program on Whop affiliates that shows you exactly how I find people to come onto the platform and process lots of money on Whop, and you get paid a percentage for every single person that you bring in, all the money that they process for literally life. Just click the link down in the description below and you'll be able to join for free. And if this was helpful at all, definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and how to make more money on Whop. Drop a comment saying rewards if you're going to try this out, and share this with a friend that might want to do this too. I'll see you guys in the next video.